welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video we will be making 3 farms. The first farm will be wheat farm, the second farm will be the cow farm, and the last farm will be the sheep farm. So yeah, let's get straight to the video. So I'll be building them like here. Okay, so first I need to make a wheat farm. So, and for that I need water. So I'll just take this water bucket and go grab some water. Okay. So I will just do this. I will need to make an infinite water source, so I'll do that. Okay, I will make the water source like here. Okay, like this. And okay. Oh my god. Okay, where is the okay, here. I'll place it here, and we have infinite water. So I will make the farm here. So let's get started. I will make it like maybe 7 by 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And wait, let's actually, I have something, don't I? Okay, I have this. I have only 6 though. But I have some bones, I can craft some bone meal. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just fill this up. And see you guys when I place all the seeds. So yeah. And hello guys. So I planted all the seeds and I forgot to say that I will be getting all the materials for other farms, and yeah, let's build them. So they will be 7 by 7 too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So now let me just do this and do this. Okay. And one farm is done. Now boom, 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 boom. Wait, I need to sleep, so I'll do that. Sleep, sleep, yes. Okay. Go here. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's okay. Now, please. Let me just do this real quick. So I have that and do this. And I forgot to place this in corners. No, actually, never mind. Okay, now let's get the animals in. Sheep, come here. Come here, sheep. Sheep. Okay. Sheeps will go in. Come on, come on. Good. Okay, now I need more sheeps. Or cows, actually. I don't care which one of those. But I see some more there. And I will get them. Okay. Hi. Hi, boys. Okay, let's get going. Oh, you too? Okay, come on. Okay, I will get those in. And I will get cows then. Hey, you two. What are you doing? Yo, hi. Okay, come on. This is my farm. I don't want to step on it. Okay. Come on. Wrong way. Here. Now, come on. Right here. And... Okay, come on. Come in. Okay, I'll just get some cows and... Okay, so... See you guys when I finished the sheep farm. And yeah. Hello guys. So I have completed the sheep farm. So now let's complete the cow farm. So yeah. Okay, I will just show you a bit of me getting cows, because video would be too long. And yeah. Come on, cow. Wait, there is one more cow. Oh, 2 more. Oh my god, 4 cows. Not too bad. And as you can see, I already have got like 2 cows, and I only got them because they were so close to my house. So it would just be stupid of me not to take them. Like. Hey, you two, what are you two doing? Okay.
See you guys when I finish the cow farm. So yeah. And hello guys, so I have completed the cow farm, but there wasn't any there wasn't that many cows around here. So I took as many as like every cow. So yeah, let me just sleep. And yeah, so guys, that would be it for today's video. And yeah, bye.